Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add markers in Capcut. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding markers in Capcut PC is a simple process and is also a helpful technique for organizing your video project, improving your workflow, and ensuring that your edits align with specific moments in the video. So once you open the Capcut in your PC, I want you to click the Create a New Project to begin your work. But if you have already a project in place, just click on it to begin editing. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this file. Now, adding markers to Capcut is giving you the ability to mark important sections such as beat drops, maybe key dialogue or scene changes. It also helps you synchronize audio, video, and effects by visually marking the points where edits need to happen, which is kind of helpful. For example, in our case, in Deep Laugh's YouTube channel, we are a handful of individual talents that handles the back end, the creatives, and all to create a tutorial videos. So this marker, if you're using Capcut, keeps track of our progress by marking where we have completed certain tasks. All right, it helps us break down the editing process into smaller, more manageable parts by marking different sections of our project. So for us to happen, all I have to do is scrub your playhead or move your playhead from the very beginning and then place it where you want to add markers. And from here, for example, in the middle of everything, I want to place a marker here by pressing the letter M on your keyboard right here. All right, and then as you can see, I have created the marker. For example, this is going to be for Deep Laughs, and that is around this section. You can choose from different playheads so that the other collaborators would know that this is for important parts. Say, for example, marker for middle, click on done, and then we're going to be putting a marker here as well, pressing M, and then intro, and choose a different color. And then from the last part is going to be move your playhead on the very big at the end part, press M for markers, say outro, and choose another color. And once you're happy with it, click on done, go to the export button on top of the Capcut. You might want to save it to a different file format and send it to your client for feedback. And that's how you add markers to Capcut. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.